Social network advertising. Social network advertising, also social media targeting, is a group of terms that are used to describe forms of online advertising that focus on social networking services. One of the major benefits of this type of advertising is that advertisers can take advantage of the user's demographic information and target their ads appropriately. Social media advertising is defined as a form of digital advertising that serves paid ads to your target audience using social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Social media advertising is an offshoot of digital marketing where paid ad campaigns are run on social media platforms to reach target audiences. It contains two major aspects, organic and paid. The difference between the two tactics lies in how the marketer reaches the target audience. A common organic effort in social marketing is simply regular and highly optimized posts in the social media account. With paid social advertising, the marketer is trying to reach new audiences that he or she can't reach with organic efforts. Why should you consider doing social media advertising? Generate leads. The goal of all paid advertising should be to generate leads. Increase your visibility. Promoting posts on Facebook is a great way of increasing the visibility of your content. Reach an engaged audience. Social media users tend to be highly engaged. Target specific audiences. Users on social media sites tend to divulge a lot of personal information in their profiles. Increase brand awareness, customer loyalty, engage with consumers immediately. Test drive promotions. Advertising on social networks is cost effective because you only target people who are interested in your products and services. You're only charged when someone clicks on your ad, and you're only paying for clicks from people who are ready to buy. Increase flexibility. The length of the ad descriptions that Facebook and other social networks allow are longer than those offered by Google AdWords. For more information on social media service, contact us at Tafok Designs. We will market your product or business to achieve more.